zPlanner 2604 added a new viewer setting in the Stackup Viewer, which allows user to control their Stackup view with most of the options that exist in Excel export. Then, the designer can generate a more intuitive and information-rich PDF Stackup. This can significantly enhance the communication clarity between OEM and their PCB fabricators. Let's review this in a short demo. In the new viewer of zPlanner 2604, users will have full control to the Stackup visualization with different viewer settings. There is a new viewer setting added in 2604. In the new viewer setting, you will have full control to the tables that you want to display in the Stackup. For example, if you want to hide the drill table, you can just disable it from the setting. If you want to add more information, such as the manufacturing notes, you can also enable it. The new viewer setting also provides control to the columns of each table. For example, you can easily remove the description column from a material table. The full control to the Stackup viewer would provide substantial benefit for the Stackup collaboration between OEM and their PCB fabricators.